Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make these loops and these earrings that will perfectly match with this cardigan that in the coming videos I will show you how you can make it. So please stay tuned because we are going to match and combine this outfit with the earrings. Well, I will give you the step by step and also the materials. Before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. Well, let's start. Well, the material is to make these earrings will be a pair of loops. It could be metal or plastic like this one. I will use a light material or fine material like you want, and I want to make a stitch that be tied, so I will use this small number of hook. It's number 4 millimeters, but in the smallest version. Okay, our goal is still hooks, so you find them, we'll use it. If not, crochet tight. Okay, try to make it as tight as you can. So we are going to make these earrings in combination of the um, cardigan that I will show you in the coming videos. So we will start right here in the top. In this case I will use these acrylic loops. We will start making single crochet. We will go in order and each stitch must have its own space. Okay, we will go all around this loop, and please at the end count how many you did so you can make the same in the other loop too. Please try to make this as tight as you can, and if you are using a different hook and if you feel that you crochet too loose, change the number of your hook. Okay, especially in this row everything has to be tied and one stitch next to the other. Well, now that we have this thread and we crochet over the thread that you used to start, I'm going to burn these threads. I'm going to cut. Remember that I always suggest that you don't cut right away, that you hide a little bit, and at the end you are going to do this. But well, I'm going to continue all around and I'm going to count how many stitches I made to make the same in the other loop too. Well, look here, finished. I fill all the spaces, and at the end I will slip one to close, right? So now I'm going to slip two to start with the next stitch. If you want, you can start right away, but in my case I wanted to leave a space for the brooch, so I didn't want to start right away, but if you want you can. So let's slip two. Well, now with the same hook and very tight, we are going to continue with the stitch. We will go up with 5 chains. We are going to skip one, and in the next stitch we are going to slip one. Again, 5 chains, skip one, and next to it slip one and insert your hook. Okay, so we will have these small waves all around. Also, you are going to count them and have the same in one loop than in the other. In this case I have 14, so I will make and have at the end 14 waves all around, okay, with 5 chains each one. Well, so like this we are going to continue the whole row, and before I let you go, please subscribe if you haven't clicked the red button here below, and once it turns in gray it means that you are subscribed. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you, and let's continue. Well, at the end we will have 14 waves all around, okay? We are going to turn around, and now we are going to continue with the next stitch. We will go up first with 3 chains, and then we are going to make 2 more. Then we are going to come back to the third chain. We will insert the hook, and we are going to slip one to make a picot. Then 1, 2, 3 chains, and we are going to insert the hook right in the top of the next wave. Then We are going to repeat 3 chains and 2 more to make the picot. We are going to come back to the 3rd chain and slip 1, then 3 chains, and we'll insert the hook in the top of the next wave, and we are going to slip 1, and we are going to repeat this all around this loop. If you want, at the end you can make an extra row like this one to make your loops and earrings bigger, okay? But it's up to you. It will depend of the design that you want to make. And remember that I took this inspiration of the cardigan that I will show you in the next video, that it's so beautiful. You will see, and I hope that you will make it with me. I want to invite all of you to stay tuned for the coming video. I use the same color, actually it's the same material, so it will perfectly match with the cardigan that I made and that soon I will share with all of you, okay? And once you know how to make the earrings, I'm sure that you will start making your own designs and your own styles, and I hope that you will make your own combinations, and also you can start your own business, right? So I hope that all these tips and ideas help you. So I want to continue with you all around so you can see how it is. At the end, when you finish to make this row and you are sure that you like how it is and you are ready to finish, I invite all of you to iron the earrings. You will see and you will tell the difference. They will look so much better. So with a fabric humid, you will put the earring, then the humid fabric, and then the iron, and very soft and gently you are going to pass the iron. It is important that you put the earrings and the stitch how you want it to be, because the first time that you iron something that you have just crocheted, it's the most important, because like you iron, it will stay like that forever, okay? So it's very important. So now let's continue and see you at the end of this row. Well, here we are almost finished. We are making the last arch with picot. I don't know how we can call this a stitch. Please help me. Okay, so here we are finishing, and now we are ready to cut the thread. And now I have both pairs. Please count that you have the same number of stitches and waves too. We are going to cut. We are going to leave a long thread. We are going to hide it a little bit first. All of these threads you can burn the tip a bit, just to make sure that this won't undo. And what I do first is that I hide the embroidery needle a bit through the project, and then I take this thread and then I will pass it through like this. If you want, you can hide it more, but like this it's okay. Now you can cut and you can burn these threads a little bit. Let me cut a little bit more. Now you burn the tip and now you are ready to wear them. Remember to iron them first, but well, in this case I will iron them. But before, I want to show you how we are going to put the brooches, in case that you don't have like a metal or plastic earrings that you want to reuse. You can make this a small trick and you are ready to wear them. Well, thank you so much for arriving till the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoy making these earrings with me. Please stay tuned for the coming videos where I will show you how we can make this cardigan, and we are going to complement and make this the perfect look. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.